this morning, sun shining bright, starting my day with hope in sight. What shall I do with a heart so light, rested in bed, feeling alright? I watched some video testimonies of the mercy of God and His glories, stories that echo love ever near. Yes, it's a good day, I can hear it clear. It's a good day, lifting praises high, smiles and gratitude. Oh me, oh my, realizing God is faithful and true. It's a good day, yes, a good day too. A good day. A good day. Another dawn to share a good word, helping others find the love they've heard. As a teacher and trainer, I'll shine my light, improving their skills, guiding them right. Life's a journey and together we climb, finding the rhythm in God's perfect time. Each step we take closer to grace. It's a good day, feel the warmth of His embrace. It's a good day, lifting praises high, smiles and gratitude. Oh me, oh my, realizing God is faithful and true. It's a good day, yes, a good day too. A good day. A good day. Sometimes the cares of this world can blind to all of the blessings, the love intertwined. We miss the mark in the rush of our way, but oh how He's faithful, come what may. His ways are not ours, higher than skies, ready to receive as we open our eyes, repenting our hearts and forgiving with grace, taking steps forward, we'll find our place. It's a good day,